Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VSC Silk Sarees. In this video, we are going to see a borderless handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. We have around 12 different colors in the same design. So we are going to see each color combinations in this video. So before that, if you are first time watching our channel, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get regular notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections. Now let's get started. This is the first saree, a beautiful olive green with mustard yellow combination. A pallu and blouse comes in a beautiful mustard yellow which has a gold jari woven rich pallu, and all over the saree you have a beautiful puttas in gold and silver jari woven alternatively. This is the full saree, a very dark puttas which has both gold and silver jari woven. So you will get a contrast blouse in yellow color. This is the back side of the saree. As you can see, the puttas comes all over the saree till end of the saree. You will get this puttas. A very beautiful saree. This is the borderless saree. And next is a pink with blue combination. It's a baby pink with blue combination. So in this video, we have a same design. Only the color combination will be different. You have 12 different colors in this video. So please do watch this video fully for all the color combination. It's a premium quality silk saree, a double warp quality with SILKMARK certified. So please don't miss these collections. If you want to book these sarees, do take screenshot and text us on the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. We are shipping all over India and we give international shipping as well. So you can book it from anywhere. So please don't wait it. Please book your saree right away if you want to book these sarees. All are very good quality sarees. The approximate price of these sarees will be 5,500 to 5,800, which is a manufacturing price. So to know the exact price, do text us in the WhatsApp. This is a red with blue combination. And next is a grey with blue combination. So please do share this video with your friends and family if you like our collections. Also watch this video fully for all the color combinations and book your favorite saree.